If you're dealing with an oily and flaky scalp full of buildup, then you need to start exfoliating your scalp. Our scalp is skin too. We just don't think of it that way. First, you're gonna need a chemical exfoliant. I love using The Ordinary's Glycolic Exfoliating Toner because it has a pointed tip applicator that's perfect for dispensing the product, and it's only $13. Start sectioning your hair and apply the glycolic acid all over your scalp. I usually start with the front half of my scalp first and then the back half to make sure the glycolic acid has fully covered my scalp. I also really like doing an oil or a mask on the bottom half of my hair to hydrate my ends. Now you're gonna leave everything in there for around 15 to 30 minutes. Then you can shampoo and condition like normal. I have a lot of buildup in my scalp right now, so I'm also using Kerastase Scalp Renewal Scrub that contains salicylic acid in it for extra exfoliating power along with the conditioner and hair mask. Now I'm gonna apply some heat protectant before I start drying my hair. And look at the difference in my scalp. All of that excess sebum and buildup is gone and my scalp feels so much better. Would you try this?